Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a special guest. I have my mom and I'm going to be doing her makeup today. So I'm going to be starting off with sectioning her hair because I'm going to straighten it. Starting off with primer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Putty Primer, and I'm going to be putting that all over her face. Now for foundation, I'm just going to be using my favorite one, the L'Oreal Infallible, and I'm going to be blending that all on her face. Now for concealer, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm going to be adding this under her eyes, on the top of her forehead, on her chin, and a little bit on her nose. Now for bronzer, I'm just going to be taking my Chanel bronzer and I'm going to be putting this on her forehead, on her cheekbones, and a little bit under her chin. Now I'm just going to be powdering her face a little bit. Now I'm just taking a powdered bronzer and I'm just going to go over the parts where I use the cream bronzer. Now for blush, I'm just going to be using this one by Milani and putting it on the apples of her cheeks and a little bit on her nose. Now for her eyebrows, I'm just going to be using this pencil by e.l.f. Now for her eyes, I'm going to be taking the same Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to be putting this all over her eyelids. Now taking my Morphe palette, I'm going to be using these two brown shades to work into her crease. Now taking more of that concealer, I'm just going to pack this onto her eyelids to make it look like a little bit of a cut crease look. Now going back into the Morphe palette, I'm going to take these two bronzy shimmery shades and I'm going to add that right onto where I added the concealer. Now I'm just going to be adding false eyelashes to her eyes and I'm using the Ardell Wispies. Now I'm just going to be wiping away all the powder that I had on her face. Now for highlight, I'm going in with my Becca highlighter and I'm going to be putting this on the high points of her cheeks, a little bit on her forehead, and then I put a little bit on her nose. Now I'm going to be taking these two darker shades and I'm going to be working this into her lash line. Now for her lip color, I'm just going to be going in with this NYX lip liner, and then I'm going to be taking the KKW Beauty nude lipstick. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me glamming up my mom. She never wears makeup like this, so I thought it was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like this video and give it a comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.